Dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. This is Seema Dudley. Welcome to my another video on data analytics. In this video, we will discuss about this how to set up and write organizational structure for institutionalizing analytics. So setting up the right organizational structure for institutionalizing analytics. An organizational structure is a system that outlines how certain activities are directed in order to achieve the goals of an organization. These activities can include rules, roles, and responsibilities. Having an organizational structure in place allows companies to remain efficient and focused. The business of all shapes and sizes use organizational structures. They define a specific hierarchy within an organization. A successful organizational structure defines each employee's job and how it fits within the overall system. We can check the limitations of organizations by fear of collaboration and over-reliance on proprietary information. Collaboration is the act or process of working together with other people or organization to achieve some common purpose or a common goal. Collaboration requires a cohesive team to follow a common process in working towards a shared goal. And this proprietary orientation means it is also known as trade secret. Okay, that is an information a company wishes to keep confidential. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെ ക്ലോസ്ഡ് സ്ട്രക്ചർ അല്ലാതെ പുറത്തു പോകുമോ എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഫിയർ വരാം ഈ ബിഗ് ഡേറ്റ അനാലിസിസ്. കാരണം ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി ടേക്കിംഗ് ഡേറ്റ ഫ്രം ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് എൻവയോൺമെന്റ്, പല പ്ലേസസിൽ നിന്നും ഒത്തിരിയും ഡേറ്റ കളക്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു ഫിയർ എല്ലാ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻസിനും ഉണ്ടാകാം. So even if there is a fear of collaboration and proprietary information, the power of analytics can be fully leveraged only if there is collaboration among teams around generation and conception of insights across the organization. So in typical large organizations, there is a fear around collaboration and over-reliance on proprietary information. That is അവരുടെ ട്രേഡ് സീക്രട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാൻ പറ്റും എന്നുള്ള ഒരിതും ഓരോ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻസിൻ്റെ ഗോൾസും മറ്റുള്ളവരറിയും എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഫിയറും ഓരോ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻസിനും ഉണ്ടാകാം. പക്ഷേ ബിഗ് ഡേറ്റ അനലറ്റിക്സ് വരുമ്പോഴത്തേനും അത് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഫക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യണം എന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻസ് എല്ലാം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ഇൻഫോർമേഷൻസ് എല്ലാം ഷെയർ ചെയ്തേ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. സോ ഇതെല്ലാം ഓവർകം ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നമുക്ക് ഓവറോൾ ഗോള് അച്ചീവ് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കും. There are three models of analytics that can be applied in the organizations: centralized analytics, decentralized analytics, and the federated model. And to select the appropriate one for the organization, the C-suite have to carefully look into their organizational DNA, and they can select the appropriate one for the organization. So we can check one by one. First one is centralized analytics. In centralized analytics, the organization consists of one core team of analysts and data scientists. The work they conduct is the driving force for how analytics will be run throughout the rest of the organization. Each position is unique in the responsibilities they carry out for reaching the overall goals of the team. and together they tackle a variety of projects across all departments as needed. The second one is decentralized analytics. In decentralized analytics, each department or business unit delivers its own project and functions with opportunities for analytics expertise within each. Data analysis is not limited to the responsibility of a single data team. Instead, it is done by those in other positions who has a desire to build their analytical skill set or by data focused individuals assigned to that specific department. The third one is a federated model. In this model, it combines the advantages of centralized analytics and the decentralized analytics. In a federated model, organizations have a digital core team that is supported by other departments. They aren't part of the digital team's core business group. A lot of organizations that have physical scale channels may already be set up with this model with their product teams siloed in different departments. The challenge therefore becomes who owns digital and whose responsibility is to prioritize digital commerce with the organization. So the difference between the three different models, that is the centralized, decentralized and federated models, are, in simple words, we can say centralized model will be sharing a single analyst for multiple departments. And in decentralized model, each department will be having a single analytics. And in federated model, each department will be having a separate single analyst. And for that, each heads, they will be having a common analyst. Okay, അതിനെയാണ് federated model എന്ന് പറയുക. It combines both the properties of centralized and decentralized model. And when looking the honors, centralized analyst and the honors will be the C-level executives. That means the managers and top of the managers. And in decentralized uh, method, the honors are the business unit or functional heads. And in federated model, the C-level executives are the honors. Then we can see the advantages of centralized, decentralized, and federated model. Advantages saying for centralized model. First one, economies of scale in infrastructure and processes, ease of promoting a corporate vision of analytics in service of strategic capabilities, then cross-functional collaboration. And some of the advantages of decentralized model are not aligned with the business units, and the risk of spreading too thin in areas that needed in-depth focus. Then for the some of the advantages of federated model are it retains the agility. Second one, access to the right breadth and depth of skills needed. Third one, autonomy of functional units are maintained. And some of the disadvantages, that is some of the cons of the three different models are, first one, seen as a cost center. Second, not aligned with the business units. And the third one is slow and inflexible. Then some of the disadvantages of decentralized model are local and silo approach, short-term focus. Third one is lack of control and alignment to corporate vision. The third one is the federated model, and the disadvantages of federated model are coordination and planning are easier said than done. An assignment question connected with this topic: explain the three organizational structure for institutionalizing analytics. Complete the assignment and forward it to the email ID provided to you. Thank you.